Hello everyone. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami butterfly. This is a really quick and easy butterfly to make. In fact, once you get the hang of this, you'll be able to knock these out in like 15-20 seconds. But as a bonus, with one small modification, I'm going to show you how to turn this butterfly into a moth. This will be the quick tutorial, so I'm going to fold rather quickly. If you do want to follow along, I did make a slower tutorial, which would be a little bit easier. What we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper in half, lining up our corners. Crease that down, open it up, rotate 90 degrees, and fold again. Crease that down. We're going to open this up and we should have this X pattern. We need to flip the paper over. We're going to fold it in half, but this time on the sides. And crease that down. We're going to open this, rotate 90 degrees, and fold in half again. All right, at this point what we're going to do is we're going to take our corners, which should have the mountain folds. We're going to push them together to where we have this triangle. Okay. And starting at this crease line at the bottom, we're going to take this upper flap, we're going to fold it up and off the corner. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the base, but we're not going to go right to the tip. We're going to pull it away a little bit. This is not exact. You can go a little far, a little closer. What this is going to do is determine the span of the lower wing. And it does spread out, so it gets wider. What you do to one side, you should do to the other. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to point it down. We're going to take this lower flap here. We're going to go around and over to the other side. You can see as you pull it, it's going to lift the wings. It's going to kind of shape the butterfly a little bit. So we're going to go about here, and then we're going to take this tip, we're going to fold it and pinch it over. We're almost done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half, just like that. And on the other side, you'll be able to take your fingers and pull these away. So I'm going to hold it like so, my fingers in, just kind of pull this away so that it stays in place. Just like that. Then you can kind of bend the wings and shape them as you will. And that's basically it. But I did say I would show you one modification to turn it into the moth. So there's the butterfly, now we're going to make the moth. So starting from this point, we've already got our points, our flaps folded up. We're going to point it down. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this tip, come all the way around, pinch it over. So all that's the same. The difference is we're not going to fold up, we're going to fold it down. So we're going to fold this guy down, give that a pinch. You can pull these in so that it kind of trains it. And when you release it, you have the moth. So one simple little tweak, and all you're doing is you're folding down instead of up. Up gives you the butterfly, down gives you the moth. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please click on the like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.